Hello, my name is Cody Benedict. I'm doing a screencast to explain how to connect a PC computer to a wireless internet connection. Forewarning, I do have my 5-month-old on my lap right now. He's a little sick, so you may hear him cough or sneeze, but this is just how I have to. I really don't have any other options. So this video is aimed at beginner computer users, more specifically PC users. By the end of this video, a new PC user will be able to connect their computer to a wireless internet connection successfully. This will help many folks who don't have the time to go to a computer class or don't have anyone handy to show them any techniques of how to navigate their new computer. So as you see down here, this is where your wireless internet connections will be. Click on this, turn your Wi-Fi on if it is not already on. It will populate with nearby internet connections that you can connect to. What you do is just find yours. I named mine Lasagna. Connect. It's going to ask you for a password. Go ahead and enter your password. This password may be on the side of your internet router if you don't already have it or have changed it. This question pops up pretty much every time. Just go ahead and click yes here, unless it'll just make it easier to connect to a wireless printer or anything wireless in the future. It'll help sync documents to other devices that you have as well. If you don't feel comfortable with that, you can go ahead and click no. I'm going to go ahead and click yes. As you can see, you are now connected to this internet connection. Something I always do after I'm connected is double check that I am connected. So I'll go to a fresh internet tab, and I just go to Google. And as long as the web page pulls up like so, you actually are connected to the internet. You can check with other websites as well. Sometimes Google may just populate automatically. So I'm going to go to ESPN.com. Make sure that I'm connected. If a lot of this stuff pops up on the page, or the page does populate, that it means you are connected. And there you are, connected to the internet. Perfect. I do apologize for the coughing.